I have been going about BMX in a very unconventional way for quite some time now because I don't compete. I don't ride in contests. I'm figuring it out a whole different way.
Peace and love, everybody. Today we have another pair, well, this colorway of the Nigel Sylvester and Air Jordan 4 RM SP fence green. And this box is in a lot better shape than the last box, and I thought there was something wrong with it. I thought it got wet. I think it still did, but I think this box is supposed to resemble the driveway that he grew up on, maybe, or just the outside skate parks in New York. I'm not sure. We got the Bike Air on the lid, and apparently there's other Jordan 4 RMs that are not Nigel Sylvester's at all. Like, I guess this was a collab with this specific silhouette. Like, I thought they built this silhouette from the ground up just for him, and I kind of still think they did. But there are other colorways that don't have the Jordan and the swoosh on the sneaker, which is really weird, and no Bikey on the back either. But this is a 2 of 1 for this sneaker, and what I mean is this is the first pair out of 2 I've been sent. Like I said, I was doing a little bit too much begging for this shoe because I had to have this shoe. It's so beautiful, and 2 different people sent me this sneaker, and there are differences between the 2, and I'll explain that when I make the second video of the fence greens. Now, for me, this is the best colorway that I've seen out of all of them, including the non-Nigel versions that they made. He just recently had a pair that look like the Fear 4s, which I think are really dope, and I would like to have those too, but I just had to have this sneaker. Leather on here is really good. You can see it's transitional and all that. And if you look at my last video about the driveways, I explained who Nigel was because I didn't know anything about him, and he talks about how he's not like a traditional BMXer, but to me, he's the best at it, and I don't really know much about BMX. Never had a BMX bike, always wanted them, always had mountain bikes and that kind of thing. But he is definitely the Michael Jordan of the BMX world. And he says he gets flack because there's the driveways. That colorway is clean too, but not cleaner than these fence greens. But he said he gets a lot of flack because he hangs out with like celebrities and he has different kinds of relationships with people because he's really popular. And he doesn't just kind of sit back and chill with all the other, how can I put it, the other BMX guys. Like the culture of BMX, he doesn't really mesh and mingle with them. He doesn't do like competitions and things like that, which I think is really interesting, and at this point he shouldn't have to. I feel like he's put in all the work that he needs to put in like his entire life, especially on that driveway. So again, make sure you check out the gray driveway colorway video that I did. I went a little bit more in depth about who Nigel is and what he's been doing with Nike Jordan brand. And this isn't his first collab. He's done another sneaker and had friends and family type sneakers made with him. And I think there's more to come. This pair specifically seemed to be a little bit more limited than any other colorway. Like right now on StockX, I'm looking, and in a US size 10, They're going for, oh wow, they're pretty much going for $500 in a size 10, and if you're looking for a size 9.5, you're looking to at $398. So that's that. And I also have some second thoughts on the sizing of this sneaker. Like, this sneaker was sent to me. I didn't really ask for it. The gifter just was like, hey, we're going to send these through. And they normally send me a size 9.5 and everything else. So they just assume I wanted a 9.5 with this sneaker. And when I got the box, I was like, no, not my favorite colorway in a 9.5. They're going to be too small. But when I put them on and lace them up, they actually fit pretty damn good. And then I also got the second pair of the fence green, so I have both of them now. And that pair's in a size 10. That pair felt good, but the 9.5 is also wearable. There's something I didn't notice. They put a little bike on the back of that tab. I didn't catch that on the driveways, but there you have it. It's pretty cool. But I would say if you want them to fit snug, get a 9.5 or a half size down, but you can go to a size 10 or a half size up. So I will say they're true to size, but you can go down and they'll be okay with this particular sneaker. They're actually really comfortable in both sizes. I got lucky. I thought they were going to be practically unwearable, and they're not. They look actually good on feet, hence the on foot segment. So if I had to get this shoe for a third time, well, actually a fourth time, let's just say I got that Fear 4 pair, I would probably ask for, it's hard because the smaller shoe looks better on foot, but the size 10 kind of gave you like a little bit more real estate. You can probably wear different types of socks. I'd probably go with a 10 just to stay safe. I'll go with the 10 next time if I ever get my hands on that colorway. And this colorway is good as well. And you can see on the toe box how they kind of wear a little bit. I wore these about 5 times, and I wore them unconsciously, meaning I was just wearing them. This is the size 10, so I can forget about them on my feet. And that's a good thing when you're just walking and you forget about your shoes. They're not hurting. They're not pinching your baby toe. They're not chafing up your ankle or anything like that. They were perfect. So just to be safe, I'm going to say in this video, go true to size. But look, they look a little small, but they didn't fit small. So I don't know. I might go the 9.5. I don't know, guys. They're both dope. But I will say with the other pair, there are some big differences, and I won't get into the spoilers right now. And the next video won't be another video of this sneaker. I'm going to try to do like maybe something else, and then I'll jump back to this sneaker again. So, and I'll do the white laces on the next sneaker as well. So we'll see what these look like with white laces. But that's it, guys. Thanks for clicking. Peace, love, and light, and I'm out.